These are chocolates. 朱古力啊，朱古力。And those are marshmallows. 棉花糖啊，糖 is candy. So 棉花 is the texture. Sounds like those cotton. So we call it 棉花糖啊 because it's so soft. Just like the cotton inside your pillow. So that is 棉花糖啦。And these are the biscuits. So biscuits 餅乾。And these are the 通心粉啦，通心粉。Macaroni I don't know the English name. That is the cone for the ice cream. So we call it the cones. We call it 桶啊，桶。The shape is like 桶。And then if you add ice cream, then we call it 雪糕桶啦。So those are the donuts. We just take the sound donut lah. We translate it. Donuts. And those are breads. Breads are 包 or 麵包啦。Breads. So here are other biscuits. 餅乾啦。Oh, here are the chips. The potato chips. 薯片啦，薯片。薯片。Really such a lot of different styles, different shapes, different tastes of potato chips. 呢嗰啲能量飲品啦 ，Monster Energy 啊 ，Energy that means give you 能量啊 ，Energy. So, and then here you can see the bottles of water. Water is 水啦 ，you can call it 礦泉水啦 ，mineral water, or you can call it as 樽裝水啦 ，because 樽 means the bottle. 裝咧 means you use the bottle to contain the water. So 樽裝水啦，礦泉水 mineral. So those are the soft drinks. Coca-Cola. We'll translate the sign into Cantonese 可口可樂啦 ，Coca-Cola. So soft drinks 飲品啦。If it is frozen, put it into fridge, then you call it 凍飲啦，冰凍汽水啦。Now you just call it 汽水。Okay, that's it.